Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing another unboxing, but this time it's from the Belly Boxes. I got this a couple days ago, another subscription box, so I'll show you what I got. So it comes with this little quote. It says, "A baby fills a place in your heart that you never knew was empty." How cute is that? And true. So the first item I got is a sleep box, or a sleep mask. It is so cute. It says sleeping for two. I love sleep masks. I sleep with a sleep mask every night. I need it to be pitch black in my room. We have 2 sets of blackout shades, plus I use a sleep mask. So this will come in very handy. And I like the quote, sleeping for two. The next item I got is this little keychain. It says Mama. So you can hang this on your purse or on your diaper bag. I'll probably hang it on my diaper bag. It's really cute. The other side just says Belly Boxes. But it's really cute. I like it. The next item I got are these Himalayan body scrub salts. Oh, you can see that? They're closed so I can't smell it, but I love body scrubs to get rid of the dead skin cells and everything. So it's really cute, and it says it's rose and hibiscus crystal infused, so I'm sure it smells great. So I can't wait to try this out. The next item I got is this natural rose clay mask. Relax and give yourself a facial. This mask has properties that will help tighten pores, hydrate, nourish, soften, and revitalize tired skin. Dry, sensitive, mature, and normal skin types can all benefit by the use of rose clay. I've never used a clay mask like this. The instructions say to mix 1 teaspoon of powder with water or yogurt to form a paste. Spread mask on face, avoiding eye area. Sit back and relax until mask dries and hardens. Wash off with warm water and pat dry. So I'm excited to try this out because I've never tried a clay mask like this. Hopefully it works. Next item I got is Bright Eye Serum. Coffee infused eye serum. There's no directions. I don't know how many drops to use, but I'm gonna try this out. I do have dark circles under my eyes right now. I have makeup on so you can't see, but I'm probably also dehydrated. That's why I have dark circles, but I'm gonna try this out. And the last item I got is a t-shirt. It says Bump. I got it in a size small. So that's cute. I need extra t-shirts for the summertime because I don't fit into any of my regular clothes. So I'll definitely be wearing this throughout the summer. That's all I got in the box. I'm excited to try everything. let me know if you guys like unboxing videos like this. Give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys like it, and next month I can do another unboxing. See you next Sunday.